Alright, I'm going to do a test of the two Airchime KMs, the 85 and the 110. If I can remember the way which switch is which. I'm going to do the 110 first, then the 85 second, and then I'm going to put them both together. Way cool. Can't wait to get it up in the mountains. Hear how it's going to sound off of Bear Notch Road. I hope everybody enjoyed that. Now I got the bullfrogs going. Everybody, enjoy the day. Have a blessed day. Thank God for what you got, because everything is a gift. Happy day.